Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about text area. So as of now, if I show you the existing application is pretty simple, pretty straightforward, where we have three elements: name, gender and country. And now moving forward in this form, we would be adding yet another element by the name of introduction, and this would be a text area. So let me quickly show you the existing application layout. Here we go. So now moving forward, let us quickly add a new element. So it would be like introduction colon, and here we would be making use of something known as text area. Alright, so similar to other form elements, again we have this path, and we don't have the path element, or element which can contain this introduction information. As a result, we will quickly navigate to source, model, user, and we will add yet another element. It would be like introduction. Good enough. Let me add getters and setters for the same. So I will right click, navigate to source and generate getters and setters, select introduction and generate those. All right, and here is the name of the variable. I will give the path as the name of the variable. Good enough. Nice. Alright, so when the user will submit this particular information, the information would be submitted to this particular action, which is display user info, right? Let me quickly show you the main controller. Here is the main controller, and here is the post mapping, display user info. Cool enough. And here once the information is submitted, the information would be added in this object user, and this information will be passed to this display user info view, right? So let me open up the view, display user info view, and in here let us also add in the message. So it would be like firstly a paragraph tag, and it would be like introduction colon, and the usual stuff using expression language user.introduction. Pretty standard stuff, no rocket science at all. Alright, so this looks good, I suppose, and it is giving some kind of error, which is strange. It should not give any error. This is taking some time, in fact, because I am pretty sure there is no issue. So let me quickly run this application on the web server. It should work just fine. Sometimes with expression language there could be some kind of false errors. Now it is gone, so Eclipse might show you some false errors. All right, this will take a couple of seconds to start up. Here we go. So name would be my name, male, from India, and introduction would be like nothing special. Let me submit, and here is the output. Perfect. So everything worked just fine. So this was text area. In our next video we will try to understand yet another very important element, which is checkboxes. Now to be very honest, till now you might have understood the overall logic, how we handle stuff. This is very simple, very straightforward, and you can in fact move forward and experiment more with other Spring form elements. Do go and experiment, try to create different type of forms, try to create different type of stuff. That would be rather very good for you. Alright, so in our next video we will check yet another Spring form element, which is checkboxes. Alright, so having said that, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.